How to hide friend list on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now wait for some time. Now simply scroll down. Now under audience and visibility, simply tap on how people find and contact you. Now tap on who can see your friend list. If you want to hide from the public, select friends only. If you want to hide your friend list from everyone, select only me and tap on save. Now simply go back and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.